One doesn't know how to reverse in. Parking all crooked. You messed it up once again, dude. It's hot out here, but we're out here. Subi Works, Fiesta Island?
I know.
Carmi? Is this a Carmi car show? I don't know what it is. All I know is I saw it on a page. Came out here with John, checking it out. It's a whole bunch of Subarus out here in the place called Fiesta Island, but go all the way down to there. Go all the way. Oh, not as much over there, but there's more this way. Go out here. There's a whole bunch down there. So, or a tank top. I wore a tank top. I'm gonna have a pretty bad sunburn for sure. I feel like you can already see it. I've only been here for like 30 minutes. Oh, jeez. Those aren't horns. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and check out this. Massive ass headlamps. Jeez. Our car's rolling in still too. I did want to show this thing off. This thing is dope. LS powered. Jeez. John said to kick rocks because I have a stock car. I'm sorry. But you know what? Do you see this? Do you see this? We got more people.
What if I go back to the slam lift, dude?
I thought about trying it, but I don't know. We got a whole bunch coming in right now. Oh my god, I told you this ain't gonna stop. Little dope bug guy. That car's been around for a while, huh?
Which one?
That one?
Yeah. Concave wheels, I want that little concave.
Little cars rolling in. Oh yeah! Fuck yeah! Side roll cage, cross track.
Fully built motor, like pushing almost close to 6.
Shit. All right, so we just finished up with Subi Works meet car gathering. I don't know, whatever you want to call it, but it was cool. A whole bunch of Subarus. It was awesome. It was really hot, so we just dipped out right now. I do got some explaining to do with the Subi, so let's get to it. We're back in the chill spot, everybody. We're back in the chill spot. Why? Because we got some explaining to do. So, this thing right here that you're looking at right now got Rod Knock. Literally within 3 weeks of owning this thing got Rod Knock. So let me explain a little bit. So this thing got Rod Knock 3 weeks of into owning this thing. I had less than 1,000 miles and less than 30 days of owning it. I went out one day to go deliver some food to Jamie, and on my way to her work, I got there, and as I got there, I started hearing this funky weird noise, and I was like, what is that noise? I couldn't really put my what it was. It's a familiar sound to me, a very familiar sound to me. So like, it sounds weird, let me turn this thing off. So I turned it off, turned it back on, and sure enough, I revved it up a little bit and you can hear it. I didn't record any video of it, unfortunately, but you can hear it. And I was like, oh shit. So I called up John. John came over to look at it. He said, yeah, he confirmed it, you got Rod Knock. And I was like, damn. So then after that, I went over to the dealership, took this thing back to the dealership, and I told the dealership, hey, this thing has Rod Knocks. And they're like, okay, so we're gonna check it out, see what it's good for, see what it is to confirm it themselves. Luckily, like I said, it was under 1,000 miles and still 30 days, still under 30 days of owning it. So they have this policy where it's like anything under that is under warranty, stays covered under warranty. So they confirmed it, and sure enough, they had to replace the short block and everything. That I have this whole list of it. They went ahead and just replaced it all. It took them about 3 weeks to do it. Finally got the car back. I've had it for a while now, like 2 weeks maybe. But yeah, this thing got rod knock, but it's running good so far. I do need to do oil change because I did take it to Arizona for the braking period, but I can show you guys a little bit where you can see the new little motor that it has. You can barely see it. You probably won't be able to see it, but it is nice and shiny. Like, you can see that it was definitely replaced and fixed. I also have a list of things that were fixed. I did get a couple things fixed on my own, like I just had to pay for parts. I got that done. But yeah, that's the story behind my new used 2013 WRX. I got Rod Knock. Yeah, it looks like it's been it's like a thing. It's like a thing for me, getting Rod Knock. Just cool, but oh well. So yeah, you guys, that's how I got Rod Knock. I'm back here in my chill spot. This is where I do most of my like talking videos. It's in San Diego, Coronado. You guys already probably know I always come here. This is like the spot where I come here because I got the good San Diego skyline in the background and water. It's a little nicer and cooler, but it's still hot. It's hitting hard. The sun is hitting hard. But anyways, yeah. Also did want to mention, you guys, if you guys support me in any kind of way, go ahead and check out the online shop down below. I have new products, new slabs, a new jet tag. Also, I don't know if I ever mentioned it, I have new t-shirts. I have the support tee, the basic tee, and then the wheel tee, and then the anime tee. So go ahead, check those out. Click the link down below. Other than that, that's pretty much it for today, you guys. I'm trying to come out with more videos, more content. I'm definitely gonna try to be going to more car meets and stuff like that. But I got a couple other things I also want to handle that's going on behind the scenes. Trying to get stuff ready for the S2000 as well. Try to get that rebuilt. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.